Next thing to check is audio and under preferences to ensure that the output device input device is Avid HDX interface, which is the main interface. Okay, this mixer control surface we are using, the S3, is also an audio interface, and you will see it pop up here, but we don't use this as an audio interface. We are using the mixer as a control surface to control Logic and or Pro Tools. So under audio preferences, or under preferences audio, we need to ensure the output and input device is Avid HDX. Buffer size, the larger the buffer size, the slower the response of the system. If we want more responsive, less delay, we go for a lower buffer. 256 is a safe buffer size to have. If you're mixing a very large project with many plugins, you may want to increase the buffer size. Only if you hear digital clicks. Input output. Now, what's important here is the stereo output 7 and 8 mirroring. 7 and 8 is directed output 7 and 8 from the audio interface. 7 and 8 is connected to the headphone amplifier. So we need to ensure that the stereo output is mirrored through output 7 and 8. So what we hear from the speakers will be mirrored out of 7 and 8, directed to the headphone amplifier, so that people in the live room can hear what we hear from this room. So again, the mirroring needs to be selected, and output 7 and 8, which goes to the headphone amplifier.